In a world full of kale smoothies, chia seed puddings, and quinoa salads, there's a rebel lurking in the shadows of dietary trends. Brace yourself for the arrival of the keto diet, the renegade of the nutrition world. Picture a land where bacon reigns supreme. Avocados are worshipped like precious gems, and coconut oil flows freely like a river of liquid gold. It's a world where butter is not just a condiment, but a way of life. Here, people engage in covert operations to smuggle cauliflower, disguised as rice, into their meals. And zoodles, zucchini noodles, have become the secret weapon against pasta cravings. Welcome to the realm of the ketogenic diet, where fat is not the enemy, but rather a glorious ally in the pursuit of health and deliciousness. So grab your bacon cape, tie on your avocado belt, and prepare to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Just remember, in the kingdom of keto, carbs are banished, and deliciousness is crowned king. The keto diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan that aims to shift your body's fuel source from carbohydrates to fats. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat consumption, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, it produces molecules called ketones, which become the primary source of energy for your body and brain. When you eat fewer carbs, your body's insulin levels decrease, signaling a need for alternative fuel. As a result, your liver starts breaking down stored fats into ketones. These ketones are then used as a source of energy throughout your body, providing a steady supply of fuel for your brain and muscles. By reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the keto diet can help you shed excess weight. It promotes fat burning and reduces hunger, making it easier to stick to a calorie deficit. The keto diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Ketones serve as a more efficient energy source for the brain, leading to increased mental clarity, focus, and sustained energy levels. The keto diet is being studied for its potential therapeutic benefits in conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and certain types of cancer. However, more research is needed in these areas. When following a keto diet, you should focus on consuming the following types of foods. Healthy fats, for example, avocados and avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, butter and ghee. Nuts and seeds, example, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. Nut butter, example, almond butter, peanut butter. Full-fat cheeses. Proteins, which includes meat, example, beef, chicken, turkey. Fish and seafood, example, salmon, sardines, shrimp. Eggs. Tofu and tempeh, for vegetarians and vegans. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, in moderation. Low-carb vegetables, such as leafy greens, example, spinach, kale, lettuce. Cruciferous vegetables, example, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts. Zucchini. Bell peppers. Asparagus. Green beans. Mushrooms. Cucumber. Celery. Radishes. Tomatoes, in moderation due to higher carb content. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are low in carbs and rich in healthy fats. Condiments and seasonings may include salt, pepper, herbs and spices, for example, basil, oregano, rosemary, cumin, vinegar, example, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, mustard, hot sauce. Beverages may include water, unsweetened coffee, unsweetened tea, herbal tea, sparkling water, bone broth. Grains and grain products, This includes wheat, rice, oats, corn, cereal, pasta, bread, and other grain-based products. Sugary foods and sweeteners, refined sugars, high fructose corn syrup, honey, agave syrup, maple syrup, and other sweeteners are generally restricted on a keto diet. This also includes desserts, candies, ice cream, and sugary beverages. Fruits. While fruits are generally healthy, they tend to be high in natural sugars, fructose. Therefore, most fruits are limited or avoided on a keto diet. Small amounts of berries, example, strawberries, raspberries, can be included in moderation due to their lower carb content. Legumes and beans, foods like beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are higher in carbohydrates and are typically restricted on a keto diet. Starchy vegetables, vegetables that are high in starch and carbs, such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and parsnips, are generally limited or avoided. Sugary and diet beverages, soft drinks, fruit juices, energy drinks, sweetened teas, and other sugary beverages are not suitable for a keto diet. Diet versions may contain artificial sweeteners that can still impact blood sugar and insulin levels. Processed and packaged foods. Many processed foods, such as chips, crackers, cookies, and prepackaged meals, contain hidden sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats, making them unsuitable for a keto diet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.